Right, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you this one injection. It's my injection. First of all, I'm checking temperature. Around 95. Today use this one. First of all, mix before use. और पूरे वो जो वीडियो बनाऊँ injection is filling. I always use my videos 3 ml because 3 ml is safe. First of all, I warning all kids, please don't watch my videos. It's only for 18 plus. Let's fill. Let's use this rare injection. It's very rare. I use only for special treatment. Sometimes auto filling, but I prefer manual. Manual is best because the auto is not auto. Let's guys, it's ready.
Okay, you're going to feel a small pinch now. Just relax your arm for me. All done.